want to find the domain and range of this cosine function. Note that this function can be written as y equal to cos x, everything into brackets, square. Domain. The cosine function cos x is defined for all real value of x. Squaring a defined value is also defined. The function cos²x is also defined for all real numbers. So the domain will be negative infinity, infinity. Now let us find the range. The cosine function cos x is a wave that moves up and down between -1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1. That means no matter what angle x you plug in, the smallest cos x can be is -1 and the largest cos x can be is 1. Now let us square all the values that cos x can take. Remember, when you square a positive number, it stays positive. When you square a negative number, it becomes positive. When you square a 0 or 1, they stay the same. So 1 square will give us 1. 0 square will give us 0. And -1 square will give us 1. Any number between -1 and 1, like -0.5 squared, becomes a number between 0 and 1. If we square -0.5, we are going to have 0.25. You will see that 0.25 is between 0 and 1. So we can say 0 is less than or equal to cos²x and less than or equal to 1. That means the lowest value that cos²x can reach is 0 and the highest value is 1. So our range will now be 0, 1. That is our range.